Hello, in this video I'm going to explain the simple concept of leveling in surveying. First of all, let's keep in mind that the level or the auto level device is a stupid device or stupid equipment because it does only one thing in our process. This leveling device or equipment, it just gives us a very straight fit horizontal line, and this is what we need to make the leveling process. This line is called HPC. In the coming videos we will be explaining the definitions of HPC and the backside, foresight, and all other needed definitions to continue. In this video we'll be talking only about the concept of it. So how can I use this line to find the vertical distances or the elevations or the reduced levels? So let's have this example. Okay, in this example here we can see that we are having here one benchmark, which is the level of this point here. This point has a reduced level of 25 above the mean sea level. Okay, and in this question what I need here exactly is the reduced level of this point. Okay, so how can I reach to the reduced level of that point? It is very simple, using the main concept. I'm going to start at this level, which is 25. From 25 I will be going up with a vertical distance of 2.5 meters, which is the reading of this scale, or we call it in surveying the rod or the staff. So 25, when we add on a 2.5, we'll get here 27.5. This value is the value of HPC, because the leveling device gives us a fit horizontal line. Every point on this line will be considered as 27.5. So here also we'll be having 27.5, and here also we'll be having 27.5, here 27.5, because this line is fit horizontal. Okay, and when I reach here, this point as well is 27.5. But now I'm going to go down to reach the unknown point. How much am I going to go down? 1 meter. So 27.5 minus 1 meter, because I'm going down, I'll get here 26.5, which is the reduced level of this point. Let's consider that this is point B. So point B is 26.5 meters above the mean sea level. So when we solve a more complicated question, let's solve this question using the concept only. So when we start, we can see in this question I am having two setups. What I mean by setup, I mean I am having two leveling equipments. So I'm going to start with the first one, the red one, then I'm going to the second one, which is the green one. My aim in this question is to find the reduced level of the following points: point A, point B, point C, point D. So let's find out how can we get the reduced levels of those points. So as usual, we'll start from the benchmark, which is 25 above the mean sea level. Okay, from the benchmark, first of all I am going to reach point A. How can I reach point A? So we'll start with our calculations. From the benchmark, first of all, to reach this red line, I have to go down. So when I'm going down I'm subtracting. So here 25 minus 1.05, 23.95. So this point has a reduced level of 23.95. Similarly, all the points on this red line are with the same reduced level, because we are considering this line as a fit, straight, truly horizontal line. 0.95, here also 23.95. Okay, when I reach to this point has a reduced level of 23.95 as well. So reaching to point A, which is above our HPC line, so we have to go up. When we go up, we add. So 23.95 plus 2.655. This gives us the reduced level of point A, which is 26.605. Okay, now I'll continue to reach point B. How can we reach point B? As we know that the HPC is 23.95, which is the red line. Now when I want to go to point B, I have to go down. Going down means subtracting. So 23.95 minus the staff reading 3 meters, I'll get 20.95, and this is exactly the reduced level of point B. Next, I have to go to point C. But before going to point C, I have to shift now from the first setup, or from the first device, which is the red device or the red equipment, to the second equipment, which is the green equipment. So from point B, I have to go down to find the second HPC, which is the green HPC. From point B going down, we said that going down means subtracting. So we'll say 20.95 minus 2.005. I will get 18.945, and this point is 18.945. All the points on this line have the same reduced level of 18.945. When we reach here, we can see that this point has a reduced level of 18.945 as well. So when we are trying to reach point C, we have to go up. Going up means adding. Okay, so I have to add 3.45 on 18.945. Here we can see the reduced level of point C, 22.395 meters. Now going to point D, we'll continue with the HPC, 18.945, here 18.945 as well. Now we have to go down to reach point D. As we said, going down means subtracting. So 18.945 minus 3.45. which gives us 15.495 meters as a reduced level of point D. Great. Now, after getting all those points, which is point A, B, C, and D, we can do one thing to check if our leveling loop is correct. We can go back to the benchmark. We know that this benchmark has a reduced level of 25. So when we reach here, I know that the HPC is 18.945. So I'm going to go up, and going up means adding. I'm going to add 18.945 plus 6.09. We got 25.035. This point is 25.035. Actually, this point has to be 25. The difference between our result and the benchmark is called a misclosure error. And we are going to discuss the misclosure error, the arithmetic checks, and all the other things related to leveling in the coming videos. So keep following up, and thank you for watching this video.